for more like the larger application sealings if I needed it. So I go ahead. It looks like mine's almost done, but it looks good. So I'm go ahead and seals all on the frame right here, and then the pearls, but not on the crystal around. So I'm gonna do, and then close it. It's really cool though, because if you need lasers, like a more precision glue gel to squeeze out, you can using on the other end. It will help seals everything you need. And then now I'm go ahead and using the other end, close the cap, and then you open the red cap, you'll see the other end, which is the needle end. And I'm go ahead and check. I feel it's really scratchy right here. Each time I'm gonna squeeze just that much. Little go a long way. Mine's like, my bottle is like, it's really last long. I don't know, as I open the cap, it sound like Brazil cap, and every time she open it, it pop. Sound really satisfying. And seals on the edges to make sure. And then now you see that I did have just a little bit extra, which is no worry. I am going go ahead and using my twin tip brush, and I'm give it a little bit, really a little bit, and like wipe right there.
So Luigi, those are just our metal charm. So we have a lot of metal frame coming silver or gold.
Yep. So now we're gonna keep for 60 seconds on this one, and then moving on, the same thing with this one. You can also using this you can using this end to seals on the frame. I love this one. I was thinking of I should getting some fun things to doing, putting on the ring jewelry. I like it. It's fun. Looks cute. So going on this, even the charm is so beautiful. The charms is had like opal and it cover iridescent green pearl. I'm sealing the pearls, but I'm not sealing on any other crystal to keep it really nice and sparkle. All right, so happy here for 60 seconds. And here you go. You get beautiful and absolutely secure. Don't lose this red cap. Just close it, so then it lasts me probably until last draw. And I still have my red cap there to protect that from getting clogs and getting like spills. This one is here after 60 seconds for